Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up course funnels using Kajabi, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up course funnels using Kajabi, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the products section found in the left sidebar. Choose new product to create your course. Select online course from the available options. Fill in the course details, including the title and description. After entering the information, click Create Product to save your changes. Now, head back to the dashboard and select Funnels from the left sidebar. Click on New Pipeline to start creating your funnel. Choose the option that best suits your course goals, such as course launch. After selecting the template, give your funnel a name. Click Create Pipeline to proceed. You will see a series of pre-designed pages for your funnel. Begin by customizing your landing page. Click on the landing page within the funnel. Use the editor to add images, text, and call to action buttons. Next, set up the sales page. Click on the sales page and customize it similarly. Add testimonials or benefits to enhance credibility. After that, set up the checkout page. Click on the checkout page and adjust the settings, including pricing options. Make sure to set up a payment processor if you haven't done so already. Consider adding upsells in your funnel for additional revenue. Once all pages are customized, click Save on each page. Now, move on to the email marketing setup. Click on Emails from the left sidebar. Create an email sequence to nurture your leads and promote your course. Make sure to include valuable content, updates, and promotions. After setting up your emails, link them to your funnel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.